Unified routing consists of multiple services that deal with workforce presence, availability, schedule, skills, and much more. All these services are channel agnostic in nature, and this allows unified routing to power all the channels in the digital contact center. The same routing engine distributes the cases and tasks, as well as live chats and digital messages, and the phone calls. Thus, unified routing is aware of all the aspects of agent workload, skills, and schedule across the conversational channels and traditional case management and can take the best decision for work assignment. This is critical for the modern workforce that is getting more and more blended and multitasking both in terms of channel and the skill set. Note that use unified routing for distributing your custom records or tasks as well. You can also use unified routing for custom messaging channels that are integrated via the standard omni-channel interfaces. Let's take a look at work distribution configurations within the workstream. When setting up a workstream, it's essential to define the work distribution settings. In the unified routing system, presence can be utilized for automatic agent assignments. You have the flexibility to specify which agent presences should be considered as an allowed presence for assigning a new incoming work item. Capacity management in unified routing is handled either through unit-based capacity or capacity profiles. We offer a range of options in capacity profiles. For instance, you can determine whether the capacity profile needs to be reset immediately or on a daily basis. Additionally, you can designate certain capacities as blocking type of capacity profiles. This means that when agents are handling a work item of a particular capacity profile, they won't receive work items from any other channel. This feature ensures that agents can focus on their current tasks without being overwhelmed by incoming work items from various channels.